welcome to my full day of meal prepping. Dahil balik trabaho na po tayo. Yes, you heard it right. Balik trabaho na po tayo. Thank you, Lord. I have been waiting for this for almost 2 months, and finally I got my job offer last week. So today we will be doing our full-blown meal prep from breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So I'll be sharing with you how I do it, and I'll be sharing my tips and tricks. And since I think this is my highly most requested video of all time, lagi yung meal prep, because probably I have been doing it for quite a while now. Just to share with you, when I do my meal prep, there are 4 categories. So number 1 is planning stage, which I've done yesterday. Second is grocery shopping. Third is cooking and baking, which is today. Fourth is the storage. When I was in Melbourne, I used to do it every Monday kasi Monday yung off ko, Monday and Tuesday. But this time, your girl is a corporate girly. So I'll be working Monday to Friday. So ang meal prep ko will be on Sundays. The menu for this week, I have prepped this 2 days ago. So for my breakfast, it will be baked crumpets. For lunch, it's chicken pesto casserole. For dinner, it's Thai-style chicken coconut rice. And we will be doing a snack as well, which is my favorite, banana bread. So this banana bread is my healthier version. It's not your typical banana bread. It's a bit lower in calorie and high in protein. So what are you guys waiting for? Tara, samahan niyo ako. It's already 1 p.m. Tignan natin kung anong oras tayo matatapos. Ang uunahin natin gawin today is banana bread because ito yung pinakamatagal maluto. Dali siyang gawin, pero ang tagal niyang i-bake. Usually, I bake it for around 55 minutes. Diba? Ang tagal. So, ang dami ko nang magagawa. Tip when you're doing the meal prep, anything to be baked, unahin niyo siyang gawin. Para habang nasa oven siya, you can do something else, di ba? Ang tawag dyan ay smart multitasking. Charot! I have all my ingredients here on the side. We'll start with our wet ingredients. Syempre, star of the show, bananas. By the way, this is a very important tip. If your bananas are looking like this, may mga brown spots, this is not ready. If your bananas are looking like this, maitim na, believe me, don't get scared, but these are the perfect bananas for any desserts that you're planning to make. Banana bread, banana cake, banana chocolate chip cookies. These are the type of bananas that you want to use kasi sobrang tamis niya. So, huwag kayong matakot. These are still perfectly fine, okay? So, we need 2 bananas lang for this recipe. Anong oras kaya ako matatapos? Tignan natin. Madali lang naman to. I'm preheating my oven na. The temperature is 165. So, I'm baking this low and slow. Kaya inaabot ng 55 minutes. Your yogurt will give additional moist and protein content to your banana bread. Kaya super important. Vanilla extract. Use any sweetener of your choice. I always use sugar-free maple syrup. Generous amount if you like cinnamon. When you're mixing your banana bread, make sure to just mix it until combined. Avoid over-mixing kasi mas may chance na maging dense and dry. I'm using dark, sugar-free dark chocolate. You can use whatever you want. I'm using 50 grams of dark chocolate. If you want to use chocolate chips, by all means, you can use that as well. Kanya-kanyang preference. 3/4 of the chocolates, I'll add it in the mix. chocolate. And it's done. Hindi ko naman titilt kasi baka masira. I'll bake this around 55 minutes at 165 degrees Celsius. I think my oven is ready. Nasa loob na ng oven yung banana bread and it will continue to bake for almost an hour. While we're waiting for banana bread, we will start with our first dish, the Thai-style chicken and coconut rice. So, unang-una, labasan natin yung ating chicken. Punong-puno yung left ko. Grabe, as in. Tama nyo ba? Sobrang dali na itong recipe ito. Halos iiwan mo lang ito sa... Basta sobrang dali. Later! Hello, babe!
Okay.
You there? Ay, sa vlog. Ah! What's this?
Your favorite.
What's this? Oh no, wait! Biscuit?
Yeah.
Lunch break muna bago ko ipagpatuloy ang pagluluto. My lunch for today is this one. I had this prepped last week. Okay, so yung pagbe-bake natin, we have 16 minutes left. So what we need to do is, we need to make sure na luto yung loob. So tatanggalin ko siya. Kailangan mainit. Ayan. Sa oven. Tapos, kailangan natin siyang takpan. Pag tinanggal nyo siya, dapat medyo toasted na yung, or medyo burnt na yung bread. Takpan lang. Tapos, balik ulit natin. So, balik lang. Tapos, tuloy lang natin yung pag-bake na 15 minutes pa.
Okay, so tapos na ako mag-bake. I've decided to use my mic kasi sabi ni Mike, gamitin ko daw. Okay, so fine. Para hindi ako sumisigaw. And sakto nandito na siya sa bahay kasi nanonood din siya ng TV. So tapos na ako mag-bake. Ayan. I'll let it cool for now. And then later, I'll transfer it to a cooling wire. So you can see on this side, lahat ng ingredients ko medyo magulo. So, ito yung ingredients ko for the Thai-style chicken. We need brown rice, of course. Our chicken, you can use chicken breast or chicken thigh. But if you want a lower calorie version, obviously, your go-to should be chicken breast. If okay lang sa inyo na medyo mataas ng konti yung calories, okay lang naman, mas masarap actually kung chicken tayo yung gagamitin nyo. Then you need your coconut milk. I'm using a light coconut milk. You can definitely use the regular one. Mas mataas lang talaga siya sa calories. Soy sauce, konting fish sauce for extra taste later. Syempre yung inyong red curry, and my favorite coriander. So ito optional lang to, spring onion as toppings. Tapos if gusto niyo ng medyo spicy ng konti, later on, or kapag kakainin niyo na yung dish, you can put chili oil on top. Papakita ko sa inyo eventually. My biggest tip when it comes to meal prepping, I always, not just meal prepping, but food in general, if you want to start your healthy era, I suggest to always eat your dishes with vegetables. Kahit anong klaseng gulay pa yan, kahit gaano karami, as much as possible, always pair your meal or your proteins with vegetables kasi fiber is as important as proteins. So I have my washed and drained broccolini on the side. So yun. Hindi talaga to kasama dito, pero lagi ako kumakain ng may gulay. So, hindi pwedeng mawala ang broccolini or just regular broccoli, whatever you want. Transfer ko na tong banana bread dito sa... Nakikita niyo pa ba ako? I think so. Transfer na natin dito. Medyo papalamigin natin siya dyan. I need 275 grams. Yung Thai-style chicken coconut rice. Sobrang dali lang yan kasi all you have to do is cook the rice and the chicken sa isang pot. Kaya lang, gusto ko yung chicken kasi medyo merong tusta or medyo may color siya. Gusto ko medyo golden brown yung labas. Kaya ginagawa ko, sinisir ko lang muna siya ng konti. I'll add the lime. We'll cook the rice there. Put all the chicken on top. Cover it and let this boil for a few minutes. Tapos, cook it on low after that kasi isisimmer na natin para maluto yung kanin. So, yun lang. After nito, I'll prep na. Diba? Sobrang dali. As in, walang effort. Yung gulay ko dito sa Thai-style chicken and coconut rice, broccoli lang. Boiled broccoli lang. You can do steamed as well. Actually, up to you kung anong klaseng gulay yung gusto nyo. Ayoko lang ng mga may oil. So, I'd rather boil my broccoli for a minute or so. Ganun lang. Gusto ko lang ng mabilisan talaga. Alam nyo ba, nakaka-stress palang mag-vlog habang nagbi-meal prep. Oh my gosh, ngayon ko lang ito ginawa. So normally, ang ginagawa ko, nagbi-video ako kapag nagbi-meal prep. Pero yung mga clips lang ng pagluluto ko tsaka pagpe-prep, doon lang stress na ako. Ngayon, na full-blown yung pagbi-video ko dahil vinlog ko pa. Oh my gosh, mas stressful pala to. Nakakaloka kayo. So, ganyan lang yung mga go-to ko sa gulay. Either boiled or steamed. Stir-fry din, I do that. Pero pag nagsi-stir-fry ako, I make sure na hindi masyadong madaming oil na ginagamit ko. Tapos kapag nagbo-boil and nagsi-steam ako ng veg, ayoko ng lutong-luto. Okay. Enough na yan. Ayun na yan. That's it, diba? That's my gulay. For baked crumpets. Yan. Sobrang dali nito kasi you'll just mix all the ingredients. Tapos, ibibake mo na siya. And that's it. And the good thing about this is this one has only 494 calories and 43 grams of protein. Diba? So, sobrang ganda ng ratio ng protein niya and calories niya. Kaya, perfect. Sobrang dali pang gawin. So, anyway, so after you put your 4 eggs, kung wala kayong liquid egg whites, you can just use normal egg whites from the shell. Dalawa lang nun. Vanilla essence. Itong baked crumpets, para siyang fusion ng leche flan. Pag nagka-baby yung leche flan tsaka French toast, ito yung tawag sa baby niya. Ganon. So, it feels like you're having dessert for breakfast. Kaya gustong-gusto ko to eh. We'll add either... I'm using vanilla flavor again. Ito lang yung parati kong ginagamit, Muscle Nation. This is my favorite. Tapos lagi ako bumibili nito kapag naka-sale. Half price. Para syempre, tipid, diba? About 180. Then we'll bake it for 12 to 15 minutes. Ayun, ganun lang. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius. We're waiting for that. We'll proceed to our last dish of the day, which is the chicken pesto casserole. Let's go. Pagod na ako. Nugasan ko na yung basmati rice ko. Just put it in here. tomato. To 80 ml. Then, i-cover ng foil. Let's bake it for like almost an hour. Depende kung gaano katagal. Kasi medyo depende sa oven nyo. But I'll just keep on checking. And then, I'll get back to you once it's cooked na. Ayan. So while I'm waiting for the chicken pesto casserole to be fully cooked, we are down to our last part of my meal prep, which is the storage. So I'll divide all the meals into 5 except the breakfast kasi for 4 servings lang yung breakfast na ginawa ko. So when you're dividing your meals, you have 2 options. Either you will eyeball. There's no problem with that. Eyeballing is perfectly fine. Or susukatin mo yung cooked meals and then i-divide mo siya sa ilang servings. Ako, normally, ganun yung ginagawa ko. So what I'll do is, kuha ko ng isang container. Titimbangin ko yung chicken. By the way, I made this before, like 2 weeks ago, I think. And I used basmati rice at that time. Tapos iniba ko ngayon, ginawa kong brown rice. So if you're planning to make the same, meal prep, don't use brown rice, just use basmati rice. Kasi ang basmati rice mas maalsa, ganyan. So mas mukha siyang madami. Pag dinivide mo, parang medyo visually mukha siyang mas madami. Kapag brown rice, dahil hindi siya masyadong maalsa, ang tendency pag dinivide mo, mas konti. So, mas mabibitin ka. So, just by looking at it, parang feeling ko, oh my gosh, mabibitin ako. And yung coconut milk, I feel like it tastes better sa basmati rice. Kasi tinry ko na to, tinikman ko kanina. Mas gusto ko yung basmati rice kaysa sa brown rice. So, this is an honest mistake. Huwag niyo akong gayahin. If you're planning to do the same, use basmati and not brown rice, okay? Gupitin ko lang yung chicken ko. Kasi ito yung magiging toppings ko dun sa kanin. Gosh, ang konti. Nakakainis. PG, FYI, itong recipe na to, medyo matabang talaga siya. Kaya, lalagyan mo siya ng soy sauce. And chili. Yan na. Last but not the least, we'll add coriander. This is completely optional. Kung hindi nyo type, huwag nyo nalagyan. Banana cake, we will divide it into 8 servings. 8 servings to in total. Alam ko bored na kayo, but I'm almost done with my meal prep, promise. It's already 7 p.m. Pero ang tagal nung sa oven kasi nga medyo mahina yung oven dito sa amin eh. So ngayon, nagluluto lang ako ng baon ni Mike for tomorrow. Extra singit lang. This is easy kasi Japanese curry lang. Tapos inutusan ko siyang bumili ng burger. Mag-burger na lang kami tonight kasi hindi na ako nakaluto ng dinner niya. Pakita ko sa inyo yung Japanese curry ni Mike. Hindi to kasama sa meal prep ko. Huwag kayong malito. Pagka wala na kaming maisip, mabilisan lang. Yan yung niluluto ko sa kanya. Tamad na tamad ako magluto ng food niya. Ito yung parati kong niluluto kasi sobrang bilis. So, pinipair niya to either with fried chicken or may niluto akong chicken kagabi, so yun. Or calamari, ganyan. Yun yung mga usual na pinipair niya dito. Anyway, kahit na nag-meal prep ako, just so you know guys, I enjoy my food. I eat whatever I want. Hindi ako nagre-restrict. In moderation, lahat, for sure, pero walang restriction. I eat everything.
Finally, ladies and gentlemen, I'm done. Yeah.
And we are done. So, tapos na tayo finally. So, ito na yung meal prep for this week. As you can see, ayan, kompletong-kompleto na. So, ito yung, I'll show you everything. So, this will be my breakfast. This is baked crumpets. And this one is Thai-style chicken and coconut rice. This one is chicken casserole. Of course, hindi tayo mawawala ng snack. That's my healthy version of banana bread. So, tapos na po ang ating vlog. Ay, pagod na ako. 8 p.m. na, just so you know. So, ayun. Sana may natutunan kayo or sana may napulot kayo. Till the next vlog. See ya! Bye!